Hey guys, welcome to our new video on treatment organizer Kerala PSC exam. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to comment your course scores down. The function of parasympathetic region of autonomic nervous system. Increased heart rate, dilate pupil, decreased salivary secretion, increased peristalsis. Answer is increased peristalsis. Broca's area is located in temporal lobe, frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe. Answer is frontal lobe. Auditory receptive areas located in the lobe of the brain. Temporal pons parietal frontal. Answer is temporal. The nerve pathways followed by an impulse during a reflex is
synapse, reflex arc, synaptic noob, none of these.
Answer is reflex arc. The cerebral circulation receives approximately what % of the cardiac output? 10, 15, 20, 25.
Answer is 15.
The part of body which control movement, balance, posture and equilibrium. Cerebrum, midbrain, cerebellum, pons. Answer is cerebellum. Which of the following types of cells is most common in the central nervous system? Astrocytes, oligodendrocytes, ependyma, microglia. Answer is astrocytes. The cerebellum is separated from the cerebral hemispheres by a fold of dura mater called tentorium cerebellum vermis, falx cerebri, Rolando. Answer is tentorium cerebellum. The largest lobe of cerebral hemisphere is
Parietal, temporal, occipital, frontal.
Answer is frontal. Normal volume of cerebrospinal 50 milliliters, 100 milliliters, 125 milliliters, 200 milliliters. Answer is 125 milliliters. In order to provide nutrients to spinal cord, what is the case? Gray matter surrounds cord, matter surrounds cord. Cerebrospinal fluid runs through cord. H-shaped gray matter is helpful. Answer is cerebrospinal fluid runs through cord. Myelin sheet of axons are secreted by neuroglial cells, goblet cell, Leydig cells, Schwann cells. Answer is Schwann cells. Which of the following is a screening test for balance? Rhin test, Weber test, Allen's test, Romberg's test. Answer is Romberg's test. Which of the following is a mixed cranial nerve? Trigeminal hypoglossal, abducens, spinal accessory. Answer is trigeminal. Cerebrospinal fluid is produced by Sella turcica, choroid plexus, foramen of Monro, aqueduct of Sylvius. Answer is choroid plexus. The cavities within the brain are called sulci, auricle, atrium, ventricle. Answer is ventricle. Nerve cell bodies occurring in clusters are called
Ganglia, nuclei, center, tract.
Answer is ganglia.
Largest cranial nerve in human body is
Vagus abducens trigeminal olfactory. Answer is trigeminal. Location of the kidney at vertebral level.
T12 to L3, L4 to S1, L2 to L5, T10 to L1.
Answer is T12 to L3. Normal cerebrospinal fluid pressure during lumbar puncture. 100 to 180 millimeters of H2O, 80 to 120 millimeters of mercury, 0 to 3 millimeters of mercury, 10 millimeters of mercury. Answer is 100 to 180 millimeters of H2O. The two lateral ventricles open into the third ventricle at the interventricular foramen of Monro, aqueduct of Sylvius, A and B. Answer is A and B. Centers of concentration, abstract thinking, memory, etc. are located in the lobe of the brain. Temporal, frontal, parietal, thalamus. Answer is frontal. Area of receptive speech is located in frontal lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe, occipital lobe. Answer is temporal lobe. Taste perception in anterior, 2/3 of tongue is supplied by facial nerve, trigeminal nerve, vagus nerve, glossopharyngeal nerve. Answer is facial nerve. Which of the following acts primarily as a relay station for smell? Thalamus, hypothalamus, corpus callosum, none. Answer is none. Functional unit of the kidney. Glomerulus nephron, renal artery, renal vein. Answer is nephron. The hormone that increases the reabsorption of water by the kidneys is ADH, ACTH, epinephrine, TSH. Answer is ADH. Master gland of human body is pineal gland, liver, pituitary gland, heart. Answer is pituitary gland. Length of spinal cord in man is
45 centimeters, 25 centimeters, 1.5 meters, 6 meters.
Answer is 45 centimeters. Total spinal nerve
12, 32, 42, 62.
Answer is 62. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and comment your scores. Wish you all the best.